We did our biggest invoicing month since we started the business, which is now 3 years old. £112,000, which for us is a big leap. Our previous high was around £55,000, something like that, so we've pretty much doubled that. The skills I've learned so far on the course, have been varied and wide, and then today we're doing sales, and you think, oh, I know it all, but again, I'm still picking up nuggets. I think I'm not doing that, I should be doing that. So I'm always learning, so it's great. We're all in the same boat. We want to progress, we want to build our business. So having it from the horse's mouth, so to speak, is fantastic. Would I recommend Trade Mastermind? Absolutely. I'd recommend it to anybody that's got aspirations of getting bigger, anybody who wants to grow their business, anybody that wants to get off the tools. Basically what I've had to do, I'm not getting distracted by having to do a week's worth of install, trying to catch up on emails, trying to do all that. It's a way of learning how to construct a business or structure a business, I should say. Highly recommend it. Give it a go.